I multiply the value of this cell by the value of this cell. So active this cell, enter equal sign, click this cell reference, enter multiplication operator, click this cell, press enter. Now I copy the formula of this cell and paste in these cells. First active this cell. In formula bar you can see cell D7 multiplied by cell E6. Now active this cell. In formula bar you can see cell E7 multiplied by cell F6. Again active this cell. In name box you can see this is cell E7. Then again active this cell. In name box you can see this is cell F6. Actually I want 2 is multiplied by 4, 2 is multiplied by 5 and 2 is multiplied by 6. But pasting the formula, the position of cell reference is changing. This is called relative reference. Again active this cell. In formula bar, click after the D7. Then press F4. The position of column D and row 7 is fixed. Press enter. Now paste this formula in these cells. Now active this cell. You can see 4 is multiplied by 2. Active this cell. 5 is multiplied by 2. Active this cell. 6 is multiplied by 2. This is called absolute cell reference. In absolute cell reference, the position of any column or any row is fixed. Again active this cell. Now I fix column D and remove $sign before the row 7 to change that row relatively. Click after the row 7. Press F4. Again press F4. Now click after the row 6. Press F4. Now I fix row 6 and remove $sign before the column E to change that column relatively. Again press F4. Press enter. Again active this cell. Copy the formula from this cell and paste in these cells. You have same result as well as was before. Now paste these formulas in rest of cells. You can see 4 is multiplied to 3, result 12. 4 is multiplied to 5, result is 20. Similarly, 5 is multiplied to 4, result is 20. 5 is multiplied to 6, result is 30. Active at any cell. In formula bar you can see column D and row 6 is fixed. As a result, multiplication table is completed by order. In this way, you can fix any cell reference, column and row. To fix any column or row, enter the $sign before the column and row. In this way, you will get fixed position of a cell reference.